Hey everyone, welcome back to Savitri's kitchen. Today we are making a delicious and creamy dessert perfect for Navratri, Sago Kheer. This is a comforting and traditional dish made with sago or sabudana, ideal for fasting or any festive occasion. Let's get started. Start by soaking half cup sago in water for about 30 minutes. This helps soften the sago and makes it easier to cook. While the sago is soaking, heat 1 liter of full cream milk in a pot and bring it to a boil. Once the milk is boiling, add the soaked and drained sago. Stir continuously and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until sago becomes translucent and soft. Now it's time to sweeten our kheer. Add 1 cup jaggery and 1 cup of water and let it boil until jaggery dissolves completely. Now add the jaggery syrup by straining to remove any impurities. Add chopped almonds, cashews, pistas into the kheer and give it a good stir. Meanwhile, let's make cardamom powder using a mortar and pestle. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder for a warm and fragrant flavor. Now add condensed milk into the kheer and give it a final stir. Wow, it's creamy. Serve the sago kheer into a serving bowl. Garnish with more chopped nuts. And there you have it, our creamy and delicious Navratri special, Vrat special Sago Kheer. Try this delicious recipe at home and let me know in comments how it turned out for you. See you this Wednesday with another delicious recipe. Thank you.